Hey guys, Bambu Lab just teased their first ever standalone laser slash engraver, the Bambu Lab R1. With the product being teased, are we going to get an xTool 3D printer? So this is all speculation on my end, okay? I have no insider information on whether xTool is really going to be releasing a 3D printer, but it just makes sense in my opinion. First, Bambu Lab entering the premium laser slash engraver market will force xTool's hand. xTool already has a resin-based traditional printer, and I believe that was just their first entry into 3D printing, quote unquote. But I believe we're going to have a traditional xTool printer. Now, if you don't know who xTool is, they're a high-end premium brand in the laser slash engraver market. In my opinion, xTool is to laser slash engravers as Bambu is to 3D printing. That means they focus on high-end products, but with ease of use at their core. If there's any company that can do bamboo to bamboo, it is xTool. The question is, will they do it? And I think they will. Not much is known about the Bambu Lab R1, but we do know that obviously it's a laser slash engraver based on its teaser image. But again, we don't know how other companies are going to respond to it. Since the H series, everyone's been complaining when they introduced elements of lasers slash engravers into those printers. People were wondering why not just make a standalone product. And obviously the R1 is that product. However, with those introduction of those elements in the H series, that should have been the alert and alarm for most of these companies in other industries that eventually Bambu Lab was going to enter them. I don't think xTool was taking that laying down. I think with the introduction of, again, like my H2S laser edition, I'm assuming that they were building or started the R&D on an actual 3D printer to get ready to come to market. This is me speculating, but it just makes sense for a company like xTool to eventually get into 3D printing to challenge Bambu Lab. So what would a xTool 3D printer look like? Well, in many ways, it will look like an H series printer. Just to be quite honest with you, I think if any company can do a bamboo, it's xTool. If that happens, Bambu Lab can be in some trouble. So maybe this is their first shot at entering another market to really diversify, so when a company can come into 3D printing and kind of battle bamboo at being bamboo, they'll have an additional market to really expand into. Again, this is all speculation on my end. We'll see. What do you guys think? Does this mean that xTool is going to enter 3D printing? Does this mean that the R1 is going to be a good product? What do you think the R1 is going to cost? Tell me in the comments below. Anyway, guys, like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.